how to use DSers with Shopify step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use DSers with Shopify step-by-step. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys can do is you can open up myshopify.com and you will get right here. If you already have a store on Shopify and you are selling your products, now you're actually looking to find products from AliExpress and you want to sell Chinese-based products, then DSers is the platform for us, and we can use DSers.com with our Shopify. So without wasting any more of your time, let's actually jump straight into the process. First of all, on Shopify, you will actually go to your apps right here and you're going to open up your Shopify app store. It will take you to apps.shopify.com, and here you have to search for DSers so that we can add this app to our Shopify. So you can see this one, DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. So here we have our results and you can see this one. It is available for my Shopify store, and you can see we also have a free plan available and a 14-day free trial as well. You're going to click on add app and this app will be added to your Shopify store. You can see DSers AliExpress dropshipping solution, and it will allow us to choose from thousands of products available on AliExpress. This is the pricing plan for DSers. You can see we have a free plan where we will get bulk order, basic mapping, manage 3 stores, 3K products. Then we have one for $19.90 per month, and then we have one for $49.90 per month. So you can also check out the plans right here and buy the DSers if you want to. Once you have added DSers to your Shopify, you will click on actually right here on add app. Click on add app and then you will authorize it on your Shopify. If you do not have an account on DSers, then you can create one by just entering your email address and set up a reasonable password. So you will require an account on DSers so that we can connect it to our Shopify. I'm going to quickly go ahead and log into mydsers.com and it'll take us right here. And now, because I have already connected my DSers to my Shopify and I already import my products, so you can see this is how it looks when you open up DSers. You can find the AliExpress products here. After the initial sign up, this is what it should look like. You can also then connect your DSers to your AliExpress. You can sign up with your Google account. This is what it will look like. You need to get your DSers right here where you can find the AliExpress products. Once your DSers is set, now we have also added the app to Shopify. So just click on add apps and then you can go to settings and you will just authorize your information. Just click on continue and connect and your app will be connected to Shopify. If I go to apps and sales channel within my settings, I will be able to see DSers right here, the AliExpress, and then we can just connect these two platforms. Once you have connected, now we can find the products. Here we will be able to find products for home and garden. We have beauty and health, accessories and electronics. You can also scroll down to explore products. If you like a product, you will just add it to your store. For example, we have this vintage flower petal phone cases, and then we have these hoodies. So I actually have a store where I sell clothes. I actually sell shirts and hoodies. So that's what I deal in, and I think these are looking really good. I'm going to check these out and see if this product is right. This product is going to be from AliExpress. On AliExpress, we can actually find really good products for very cheap prices and sell them for higher prices. So you can see we have this hoodie in different colors. This product is actually looking really good. We have a quite similar product right here, which is a little cheaper than this one. This is the design. Okay, we have something even on our, sleeves right here, and we have this design. It's looking good, and we have different colors available. If you think this is the product you should go for, what you're going to do is you're going to just click on add products or import product within your store. So you can see we have this option. And you're going to click on import. You can see this yellow orange button. So you're going to click on import. Once you do that, this product has been imported to this list here. I will show you at the end. Okay, I'm going to stay here and explore more products. We can even search. So I'm going to go ahead and search for shirts. We have these amazing shirts available, and you can see we have this one right here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit to find more products. We can just click on this import option. And I'm going to import this one as well. Now let's go to our import list. And this is the import list that we have. These are the 2 products that I added just now. This is for another store that I have. So these are the products. I'm going to check these and it will be shown on my, Shopify as well. So this is how we import products from DSers to Shopify. All you need to do is you can just go to your Shopify app store and you're gonna add DSers to your Shopify. Make sure to create an account on DSers and then you will connect your Shopify store to your DSers and then you will just simply import products. We can not only import products to Shopify with DSers, but we can also import to our other e-commerce platforms such as Wix and Squarespace and much more. We also have some order option here. So if you want to fulfill orders within your DSers for your AliExpress or for any other platform where you're selling the products, you can just go to the open order and it will show you the orders that you have. And then we simply fulfill our orders on DSers. Then we have my product list. So it will show you the products that you have, the products that you created personally. You didn't import them, you created the products. So these are actually the products that I have on my Shopify store. So because these two platforms are, connected, that is why I can check my products that I have on Shopify right here on DSers and the products that I am importing from DSers on my Shopify. Once you're done, then these products will be shown on your Shopify. You can check them out in the products section. And then people will order that product. You will fulfill that order from within your Shopify, or you can also fulfill the order within Deezer. So Deezer is kind of like a connection between Shopify and AliExpress, where you do not want to connect directly to AliExpress. So Shopify uses Deezers to get the products, to import the products right here, the cheap products and high quality products that we can get with AliExpress. So if you're looking for cheap products that are Chinese based products, then you can definitely use Deezers and fulfill your orders, import products from AliExpress. And now you know how to connect these platforms and use it. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.